How does Apple DEP work? A tutorial by MobiVisor. Apple devices are very popular. They are easy to use, of high quality and durable. No wonder that companies love using Apple devices. When purchasing Apple devices for a company, you can benefit from the Apple Business Manager. The Apple Business Manager is used to manage mobile company devices. If an Apple device is purchased directly as a business device, it appears in the Apple Business Manager overview. An overview of all devices appears in the left-hand column. To be able to use Apple Business Manager, you must first order Apple devices from a dealer of your choice. Often, IT suppliers only offer the purchase of devices for business customers via a direct request. On our MobiVisor website, for example, you can submit a request directly via our contact form. In order to manage your Apple devices for your business, you need an MDM. An MDM is a mobile device management system and is used to manage and secure the devices over and above the standard security features of the device. An MDM has special features that enhance the possibilities to set up, manage and secure Apple devices. In order to do this, you need to connect the MDM with the Apple Business Manager, which we'll show later in this video. Once the Apple device is connected to the Apple Device Enrollment Program, DEP for short, it can be managed via MDM. You can see here that the settings are much more extensive. For example, settings can be blocked or explicitly allowed via the policies and so on. This is important in a business context as stricter data protection regulations generally have to be observed here, if only to ensure compliance with the GDPR. In the MDM's app list, you can also see all Apple VPP apps once you connected Apple VPP to your MDM. This way, you can easily install and uninstall apps on all Apple devices. Overall, you need three things in a company to be able to integrate Apple devices properly: an Apple business account, an MDM, and the DUNS number. At first, we'll have a look at how you can obtain the DUNS number. The DUNS number helps to uniquely identify a company. You can obtain it for your company free of charge via the Dun & Bradstreet website. In the rare case that your company is not listed there, you can request the allocation of the DUNS number. Amongst other things, Apple uses the DUNS number to verify your company. This prevents unauthorized persons from creating Apple accounts in your company's name. If you have not already done so, you must now register in the Apple Business Manager. Important: use an email address that is not yet assigned to an Apple account. Under no circumstances should you use your private Apple ID. Let's see how you can create a new Apple account. In order to create an Apple account, you need to visit business.apple.com. Fill out every information step by step as shown. The telephone number you give should be readily available for you. It is best to choose a mobile number here to receive two-factor authentication messages. After verifying your email address, the Apple account is created. Once you log into your account, you can see the Verify button. This is used to verify the legality of your company. Only after a successful verification you can completely connect to your MDM and purchase apps for your company. You can also now enter the DUNS number, company information, and a verification contact. This contact should be a person not yet associated with the Apple account. Note that there is also an expiration date to the verification. If you miss that date, the account will be deleted. Once this is done, the most important step will take place: linking with mobile device management. This link takes place on 3 levels. First, the APNs certificates must be exchanged. Second, you connect the Apple Business Manager with the MDM server with Apple DEP. And third, the Apple VPP is connected too in order to see all purchased iOS apps in the MDM as well. Let's start with the Apple APNs certificate. The APNs certificate is used so the MDM can send commands to iOS devices. In MobiVisor, first choose APNs, scroll down a bit and download the APNs certificate. Afterwards, you need to log into the Apple Push Certificates portal. The link is available in MobiVisor too, as you can see. To log into the portal, you need your Apple ID and the password of the Apple account created previously. MobiVisor supplies you with a step-by-step guide as well. If you follow these steps, you cannot go wrong. Keep in mind that only after a successful verification of your company, you will be able to connect Apple APNs certificate, Apple DEP and Apple VPP. Once you're successfully logged in, you need to upload the certificate you fetched from the MDM portal. In return, you can then download a new push certificate from the portal. Now enter the MobiVisor domain again and return to APNs. Upload the APNs certificate from the portal as shown. Note that the initial exchange of APNs certificates has the same order as the renewal. Apple requires a renewal of certificates once a year, so be mindful of the expiration dates. Now we will link the MDM to Apple DEP. First, you need to go to Apple DEP on MobiVisor. Download the DEP certificate directly as shown and use the link below to open the Apple Business Manager page. In the left bottom corner, you'll find your username. If you click on it, a menu extends, where you need to choose Preferences. Add a new MDM server here. You can name it and upload the DEP certificate. The connection to DEP is important so that Apple business devices show up in MobiVisor and can be assigned to a user. Now download the DEP token from Apple Business Manager. Again, you need to return to MobiVisor and upload the token there as well. Now we connect the MDM with Apple VPP. In the MobiVisor domain, you now need to choose the third menu point, Apple VPP. Either use the link there or directly visit the Apple Business Manager page. In the Preferences, you'll find Payments and Billing. This is where you need to download the content token for your MDM server. Return to MobiVisor Apple VPP and upload the token there. When you purchase an app via the Apple Business Manager for your company, You can also distribute this app via MobiVisor MDM now thanks to the Apple VPP connection. Once everything is set up, you can make all settings and restrictions in the MDM and define guidelines for your iOS company devices. Thank you for watching. Visit us on www.mobivisor.de or follow us on Instagram. Links in the description.